Hello, my name is Aaron and I am a technical trainer with CrossPath Telecom. Today we are going to discuss how to manage the CrossPath Portal user accounts. In this video I will demonstrate how add, edit, and remove a CrossPath Portal user account. A user account can be given specific permissions or given full admin access to an account. The same user account can be added to multiple accounts and given specific access or admin privileges per account. All user access control is within the CrossPath portal. Let's get started. For this session, I will start at the CrossPath portal control panel. On the control panel, click on the Manage My Users. This is the account user management system. From this page you can see the name of the user, the account email address, the last login date time for the user account, if the account has admin access, if the account is active, and if the account has been verified. This information is a quick view before editing or viewing the account details. To delete an account removing access, click the red X to the right. A confirmation box will appear. To complete the removal, click the OK button. Keep in mind, if the user account has access to multiple portal accounts, the account will have to be removed from each portal account. To view the details and to make any changes to the user account, click on the pencil next to the red X. This is the user account details screen. As a note before we continue, if a user is an admin, there is no need to set the individual permissions for the user account. An admin user has full access to everything. From this page, the only account setting that cannot be changed is the email address. If a need to change the email address arises, please submit the change to support@crosspath.net. Our support team can make this change. As a note, the change will be made for all CrossPath portal accounts that the email address has access to. From this page, the first and last name can be updated. From this page, the password can be changed if needed. For example, if you are an admin on an account and a user asked to have their password changed, the user can either request the password change from the portal login page, or an admin can change it from this page. To note, if the password is changed on this page, the password will need to be sent to the user. This page will not automatically send the new password to the end user. The section located under the password field is where a user account can be set to verified or not verified. If an account is not verified, then the user will not be able to log in. This feature was added for organizations who may have a new employee starting, but the start date is in the future. In this scenario, a portal admin would build the account but set the account to not verified. Once the employee starts work, an admin can change this option to yes, which means the account is now verified and the user can log in. The next field is the setting that determines if the account is an admin account or not. To make a user an admin, this option would need to be set to yes. Caution: once the account is set to be an admin, the account has access to all account features and applications. The account status field is used to turn the account on and off. The account status option must be set to active, or the user will not be able to log in. The sections below are where individual permissions can be given to the user account for each application, and functions within the application. The portal permissions are simple: yes equals access, and no equals no access. The first permission available for each section is granting access to the application itself. This is important because if this access is not granted, then all other access will not be granted. For example, if the access option for the phone center is set to no, then if one of the other permission options, in the same section, is set to yes, access to those functions will not be allowed because the permission to the application itself was not granted. Once the account has been set up with the correct information, click the Save Changes button, located at the bottom of the page. The new permissions will go into effect once the changes are saved. If the user is logged into the portal while the changes are being made, there is no need for the user to log out and back into the portal. To exit the account details page and ignore the changes that were made, click the Cancel button located at the bottom of the page. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or need additional help, please dial *99 from any CrossPath phone, or email our support team at support@crosspath.net. We look forward to speaking with you soon.